Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And friends, this is just a demo video about how to set the communication in between Raspberry Pi 4 inbuilt Bluetooth module and our Arduino Uno HC05 Bluetooth module. As you can see, this is what our HC05 Bluetooth module which I have connected with Arduino Uno board, and then we have here also our l298n DC motor driver board. So I have set the communication in between our Raspberry Pi 4 inbuilt module, Bluetooth module, and our HC05 Bluetooth module. Okay, now the concept is what? We are going to simply control this robot with the help of our face coordinates. Okay, so now simply we are going to move on our Raspbian Buster Legacy desktop computer. Okay, so friends, as you can see, there is two frames. There is two live frame. One is basically tracking my face with the help of our Raspberry Pi 4 camera, and another one is basically recording live our Arduino Uno Bluetooth car, HC05 Bluetooth car. Okay, so right now my face is at right side. As you can see, if I come at the center, as you can see, the car is moving forward. If I come at the right, it stops. Okay, so if I come at the left, it will turn. If I come at the center, it will go forward. Left, it will turn. Again left, it will turn. Now if I come at the center, it will go forward. If I come at the right, it will stop. Okay, so this is the concept. This is how we can use our HC05 Bluetooth module, and we can control our Arduino Uno car with the help of Raspberry Pi 4 inbuilt Bluetooth module. Okay, so we'll meet our next video and we are going to see all these things step by step. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.